So guys, welcome to the new week CAS reflection video. So this is probably the CAS reflection video number 13. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to review that what we did during the last weeks. First, before this part, I'll explain that why I just delayed the CAS reflection for 1 week, which actually you can see this video from 2 weeks after the last video. So the first video, as we were just having the national holiday, and then after national holiday, because of the legal problem, we have to work for 7 days without weekend. So that is why we can't offer the video in the first week, and in the second week we can provide the video, as I just got sick and it is quite trouble, and I found it difficult to speak in front of you guys. So that's why we have delayed for 2 weeks, and now we're going to just tell about what was going on in the past 2 weeks. In the first during the first week, which is from the 9th October to the 16th October, we did group work, which means we just had some meetings and get organized, get cooperated, and get familiar with us. As I mentioned, we have a new team member who is Eric, and the second week our team just ran normally, and some video editing part for about output about 0.5 minutes, half a minute, and then it is about 2 weeks work, so actually it is not a short time. Yes. Okay, so now I will just point out the problems or solutions and reflections. So actually we just haven't faced, or we haven't got any problems since for this 2 week. Our teamwork or our group work was just great. Everyone gets familiar with each other, and we're currently planning to take the group work for next time, which means in the next video, CAS reflection video, you'll see the preparation from Eric, and I'll just do the talking part in front of the camera instead of doing everything. Yes, I'll just pay attention to pay all my attention, or more my attention, on the video editing. Yes, that's great. I think that's very good solutions to the future. And from the reflection, I think we should just keep going for this kind of good style of working, and keep the advantage of us. Yes. Next is about the next week's schedule. So next week we're still mainly planning to do the editing. I hope we can have the same have the same progress in this week. So which is about 0.5 minutes, half a minute's output. And let's see the goals of CAS project. Okay. So first, yes, let me see. Okay, first, identify own strengths and develop areas for growth. Of course, it is video editing is my strength. Second, demonstrate that challenges have been updating, developing new skills in the process. Of course, we're learning the video editing part skills, which means, for example, you can just correct the frame problem, and yes, also Chinese medicine knowledges are new skills as well. Demonstrate how to plan CAS experiences. Of course, that's why we have the reflection and shows all the information. Show commitment to the persuasive in CAS experiments. Yes. Demonstrate the skills and recognize the benefits of group working, collaborative. This week, yes. In the future weeks, yes. But however, before this week And after we finished recording and before last week, it is no, as the mainly editing part and preparation for the CAS reflection object project is all by me. As before there were two teammates, and another teammate was not in IB school, so he did not do the CAS reflection project, and also he does not respond for the editing. Yes, in the future there will be, as Eric will be responsible for the CAS recording reflection. Yes. And finally, recognize and consider the ethic or choices for the action. Yes, of course. So, as if you saw the questionnaire from our, which is also why or the reason we do this project, it was because that, no, it is because as this is still a problem. So people get little attention on traditional Chinese medicine. Yes, that's the re-explanation for our several goals of CAS project, and I think these are almost what I want to say in this video, and I think we'll see you in the next video if we're going normally. Yes, and this is Chris. I'll see you in the next video.